Feeling weak is something everyone experiences, but God's word reminds you that your strength is never meant to come from yourself alone. These verses will rebuild your inner strength, renew your spirit, and remind you that even your lowest moments, God is your source of power and endurance. If this message speaks to you right now, take a moment to share this video with someone who needs strength today and subscribe for more life-changing biblical encouragement. Isaiah 40 verse 29, He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. When you feel drained, exhausted, and unable to keep going, this verse reminds you that God steps in exactly at that point of weakness. He doesn't wait for you to be strong. He strengthens you when you are at your lowest. Your weariness is not the end. It is the beginning of divine renewal. God sees your struggle and responds with fresh strength that lifts you beyond your limitations. Philippians 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This is not just a motivational phrase. It is a spiritual truth. Your ability is no longer limited by your circumstances because Christ empowers you from within. When challenges seem impossible, remember that your strength is backed by divine power. You are not facing life alone, and through Christ, you are equipped to overcome every obstacle before you. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9, My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Your weakness is not something to hide from God. It is something He uses to reveal His power. When you feel like you are not enough, God's grace fills every gap. His strength shines brightest when you admit your need for Him. Instead of being discouraged by your weakness, see it as an opportunity for God to display His power in your life. Psalm 46 verse 1, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. In moments of fear, uncertainty, and trouble, God is not distant. He is present, ready to protect, guide, and strengthen you. This verse reminds you that you have a safe place in Him. No matter what you're going through, you can run to God and find the strength to stand firm. Nehemiah 8 verse 10, The joy of the Lord is your strength. True strength is not just physical or emotional. It comes from a deep spiritual joy rooted in God. Even in difficult seasons, God's joy can sustain you and give you the energy to keep going. When you focus on His goodness, your strength is renewed from within in a way the world cannot provide. Ephesians 6 verse 10, Be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power. This verse calls you to rely on God's strength rather than your own. Life's battles are not meant to be fought with human effort alone. When you stand in God's power, you are equipped with a strength that cannot be shaken. It is a reminder to stay connected to Him daily. Psalm 73 verse 26, My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. There will be moments when your body feels weak and your emotions feel overwhelmed. But even when everything within you seems to fail, God remains constant. He becomes your inner strength, holding you together when you feel like falling apart. His presence sustains you beyond what you can see or feel. Joshua 1 verse 9, Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Fear often comes when you feel alone, but this verse reminds you that God is always with you. His presence gives you the courage to move forward even when you feel uncertain. Strength is not the absence of fear. It is the confidence that God is walking with you through it. Habakkuk 3 verse 19, The sovereign Lord is my strength. He makes my feet like the feet of a deer. God not only gives you strength, He gives you stability and direction. Like a deer that moves confidently on rough terrain, God enables you to navigate difficult situations without falling. Even when life feels unstable, He equips you to stand firm and move forward with confidence. 1 Chronicles 16 verse 11, Look to the Lord and His strength. Seek His face always. Strength is found in consistently turning to God. This verse is a reminder that your connection with Him is your source of renewal. When you seek Him daily, you are continually refilled with strength, peace, and guidance. It is not a one-time moment, but a lifestyle of dependence on God. If these verses have encouraged you, don't keep this strength to yourself. Share this message with someone who is feeling weak right now, and subscribe for more powerful Bible-based inspiration that will uplift your spirit and strengthen your faith every day.